to our done home cooking. Today we are preparing wrap. You can prepare your own wrap and take to work for your lunch. Yeah, so these are the ingredients for making chicken. I'm going to grill my chicken, so these are the ingredients. I have my chicken fillets here. You can decide to buy your own chicken breast. But me, I've got the chicken thigh, the thigh of the chicken. I took the bone out. So I got 3 chicken thigh. I took the bone out because the breast of the chicken looked too white to me and too soft. Want it a bit hard. So this is my chicken fillet. Got 1 Maggi cube here, and I also have my chicken stock powder. This is my chicken stock powder. I have my oil to grill the chicken. I have my black pepper here. This is a whole black pepper, so I'm just going to grind it onto my chicken. Salt to taste. And this is my wrap. This is the wrap. It's like bread but in a flat form. It's called wrap. And for the filling for the wrap, I have my lettuce here, which I've washed. I have my lettuce, my spring onion, and my cheese. The cheese we use in our burger, and of course my mayonnaise. So I'm going to start with the chicken. I'll season this chicken and I'll grill it in my saucepan. The saucepan is already heating. So now I've seasoned my chicken. I use only the chicken stock powder, and it's tasty, so I don't need this salt anymore. So I'm just going to add 1 tablespoonful of vegetable oil or olive oil to my saucepan. It's really hot because I want to grill it, and my grill is not working, so I heat this pan very well. So I'm just going to shallow fry my chicken. I'll shallow fry it. I'll fry it about 10 minutes, and I turn it over again till both sides is cooked, or until the chicken is cooked. So my chicken fillet is almost cooked. My chicken fillet is almost cooked. And I just want to add a bit more of my black pepper. You have so many types of black pepper. This one is a whole one, so I'm just grinding it onto it because I want it a bit more spicy. So I add my black pepper. And if you don't have the one I'm grinding, you can just buy this black pepper or white pepper from the shop. I'm just cooking it through for another 5 minutes, and my chicken fillet will be ready. So my chicken fillet is ready. See, it's looking very nice, golden brown, and very crispy. See the color? And it's smelling so good of that black pepper. Very crispy outside and juicy inside. So now I'm doing my wrap now. So if you're going to eat it straight away, then you can use the chicken fillet whilst it's hot. I mean, while it's still hot, warm. But if you are going to take it to work, because I don't want the heat in the chicken to dry my lettuce, I want my lettuce to feel crunchy in the wrap. So if you're not going to eat it straight away, you leave them separate. You can make your salad, leave it in a separate bowl, leave the chicken in a separate bowl. So when you are ready to eat, you just use it to fill your wrap. So this is just a flat bread. It's wrap. So if you want this wrap warm, sometimes I just fold it. If If I want it warm, I'm not going to heat it up in the microwave. It make it go rubbery. So I'll just do it like this. Fold it over and I'll put it in my toaster for a few minutes just to warm it, and it feels so fresh. So I'm beginning to do my wrap now. I'll just slice my chicken steak just to show you that it's cooked through. See, it's cooked through, but the outside is very crispy and the inside is very nice and juicy. We can just put it in like that. Put my chicken in, and I'll add my cheese. The cheese is optional. If you don't want cheese, don't add it. Yeah, I like my cheese. It's the same cheese we use to make our burgers and all that stuff. My hand is all clean. I put it there, and then I'll use my hand to roughly break the lettuce. And if you like tomato, you can also add tomato or cucumber if you like. See? And I would love to add some spring onion. I love spring onion in my wrap. I just add a little bit of sliced or roughly chopped spring onion, the leaves. And then I add my mayonnaise. You can buy light mayo or they have a lighter one for those who like healthy eating. So I'll fold this end over and like this. And over like that. See? So this is my wrap, chicken wrap. You can have it for your lunch. You take this to work. You don't need to go and queue waiting for something else. You can also have it. Here we are.